Check in, beautiful people. Right now, I'm at home, and I think the time now is about after 6. We gotta get some breeze, but you know, we're out here without fear. I go around in my scheme and so. See? So this is my house. So this is how we put the cars in so that they don't really take too much of the wind. We kind of make the house kind of shield them. Again, this is the rubbish bins. So we kind of full them with water, or half them with water, so that you know them not blow away and thing. But yeah, so far the greatest thing we don't see nobody roof or fly or nothing like that, so that's good. Can't say the same for other parts of Jamaica right now. Bird I wanna go. So I just go and walk around and see what I see. I think one of the good things about, you know, yes, I wish for me there is that we have a lot of big heavy trees for drop down pan houses and stuff like that. You know, people tie down them drum and thing there. Smart move. Not that heavy at the moment, and the place soon get dark, so we just walk around to see, you know, what I can see. Some people take more precaution than others, like so a house there. Start falling down them place, so I guess water won't blow in and thing. So the signs of me I see right now are good signs, not a lot of damages. That's the only thing, a few telephone wires and internet wires popped down, nothing major, and that is good. We're outside, guys. That is it. So just walking, see what I can see. Neighbor them good, that is good. I know some people have mixed feelings about this video right now, some people watching, but come on guys, somebody have to do it. You understand? So I guess our house is being built right there, and you can see all of the steel cages them up. Most of them taking a bow at this point. You can see them lean. You see me? Breeze have them away. Apart from that, everybody roof seem to be intact, and we thank God for that. Yeah. I can see one black tank look like it blow off, or maybe the lay down flash you know blow away. Whichever the case is, I'm not sure. So I'll let you right up there, some zinc or rockle pan it. Apart from that, everything good. Yeah, so thankfully, Father God, you know, the damage, even though at this point of doing this video, I'm not sure exactly where the storm is in terms of, you know, how it's moving away from Jamaica. Because as I say, we don't have power. Well, me have power still because I have a generator, but as you can see, these are most of the things that coming down, you know, power wire. This one almost not power, not electricity wire, but them name again, cable wire and them thing. Yeah, man, everybody can safe in the yard, which is good. Yeah, and everybody, you know, taking the smart route by just putting the car directly in front of the house, so the house can kind of shield it. One and two people leaving their cars on the road. Check out that GNA. Oh yeah man, so far so good. Outside, you know, jam. At this point, Father God just hold down the wind a little bit so I can walk and see what's going on. Yeah. So right now there's a WhatsApp group to the whole scheme. So I'm gonna upload this video. I'll post a link in here so people can just, you know, be sure say how them good and the neighbor good and thing, you know? Yeah, man. Everything good, everybody inside. I think the closer we get to the front of the scheme, the stronger the breeze is. Yes, apart from being soaked, everything is good. One person I drive up and I know where them I go. You know, at this point.